Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important heads involved in the cash flow statement. The important heads involved in the cash flow statement are operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. Cash flow statement contains three heads. They are cash flow from operating activity, cash flow from investing activity, and cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from operating activities are the activities that comprise of the primary or main activities of an enterprise during an accounting period. The important cash flow of operating activities are depreciation written off, goodwill written off, dividend paid or received, profit or loss on sale of machinery, etc. Next is cash flow from investing activities. The various transactions included in the investing activities are sale of assets. Assets includes furniture, building, land, machinery, etc. and sale of these assets. Sale of machinery, sale of plant, sale of land, sale of building, sale of tangible assets. That means in investing activities, we want to consider only sale or purchase of assets. The amount derived by selling the products, selling assets, that amount should be considered as inflow from investing activities. Suppose a company purchased machinery. This is an example for outflow of investing activity. The various transactions included in the investing activities are cash receipts from disposal of fixed assets, including intangible assets, cash receipts from repayment of advances or loans made to third parties, except in case of financial enterprise, dividend received from investments in other companies, cash receipts from disposal of shares, warrants or debt instruments of the other enterprises, except those held for trading purpose. Proceeds from sale of fixed assets, proceeds from sale of investments other than marketable securities, interest received, dividend received, rent received from property held as investment, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of investments other than marketable securities, income tax paid, it is related to investing activities. These are the transactions to be included in the investing activities in the form of inflows or outflows of investing activity. Third important activity involved in the cash flow statement is financing activities. The amount of cash flow arising from financing activities is useful in assessing claims on future cash flow by contributors of funds to the enterprise. The important transactions involved in financing activities are proceeds from issue of shares, proceeds from issue of debentures, proceeds from long-term borrowings, increase in balance of bank overdraft or cash credit, payment of loans, payment of redemption of preference shares, payment for buyback of equity shares, payment of dividend, payment of interest, decrease in the balance of bank overdraft or cash credit, income tax paid if related to financing activities. These are the important transactions to be included in the cash flow from financing activities. While preparing cash flow statement, first we want to calculate the amount of net profit before tax and extraordinary items. For that purpose, first we want to take the difference of profit and loss account balance. Then add any amount transferred to reserves. Reserves may be general reserve, capital reserve, or any funds, etc. Then add closing balance or current year's balance of provision for taxation. Then add closing balance of proposed dividend, final dividend, and interim dividend. After adding these items, any amount transferred to reserves or profit and loss provision for taxation closing balance, proposed dividend, final dividend, interim dividend closing balance, then you will get net profit before tax and extraordinary items. For preparing cash flow statement, first we want to calculate net profit before tax and extraordinary items. Then second step, calculation of the amount derived from operating activities. Then make the adjustments of operating activities. Then you will get cash used or cash flow from operating activities. Then make the adjustments of investing activities. Then you will get cash flow from or used in investing activity. Then third step, make the adjustments of shares, debentures under financing activities. Then you will get cash flow from financing activities. The next step is add all these figures, net amounts, that is cash flow from investing, cash flow from financing, and cash flow from operating activities. Then last step, add opening balance of cash, cash equivalents, marketable securities. Then finally you will get the closing balance of cash, bank balance, marketable securities, etc. Thank you.